Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at talking about what is Reddit. So if you go up on Google and search Reddit, you're going to get the very formal definition of what Reddit is. It's a web count rating discussion website. It's basically like a social media, except over here, instead of normal typical social media, you can have discussions, and there are these groups slash which are called subreddits. And what these groups are, they're specific groups. For example, there's a very popular game right now, Valorant. There's a subreddit called Valorant, r/Valorant. Over there, the only communication slash only topic that goes on is about Valorant. So that's about it, honestly. Reddit is a social media platform where there's different groups, and those groups determine what the topic is being discussed in that certain group. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.